The System Time plugin is another way to create a clock within your scene. And the way this works is that we're going to go back and drag a font down. So once we have a font, we'll go back into our Functions tab, into the Tools folder, and grab the System Time. We drop the System Time function onto our font, and when we do that, it creates a clock out of it. Now when we go into the System Time editor, first thing that we have up here is format, and it's set to hours, minutes, and seconds by default. Each letter within this format here stands for something else. So if we wanted to type in a day of the week, here's an abbreviation for small a. Capital A would be the full day. We also have options for the month that you can type in. So every letter up there represents something else. So if we have a day of the week here, there's a language setting set to default by default. We can also change it to English, German, and Norwegian. Now, if we have our seconds up here, there's also a seconds offset from the clock, so we can adjust the seconds offset from the clock as well. There's also an hour offset, so if you need to deal with time zones, as we adjust this hour offset, you can see how it adjusts the hour there. Now we have this hour offset adjusted a little bit. It shows us in a 24-hour clock. If we wanted to change this to a 12-hour clock, we could come up and use this format again and change it to an I, and now it's at the 12-hour clock format. So below this, we also have a system time zone and a show time zone. So what we'll need to do is, if you type in a time zone here, and then you come up to the format, and if you type in the letter Z, it shows you the time zone format. And if you need a lowercase t, you can change it right there. Now if you need to change your time or your time zone, you can just come down here and type in another time zone there if you wanted to display it.